Hey, so one thing that you always have to have on the boat, besides a good pair of fish grips, is a cutter. Now, I use a cutter religiously, and I'm sure you do too, whether it be your pliers or something that's on a lanyard like this. GOMEXUS has come up with this very, very nifty little lanyard cutter. And what I like about it is it's aerospace aluminum, so you're not gonna have the corrosion that you're gonna have on typical cutters on the market. Not only that, they got a stainless steel cutter up here. Again, that's gonna be sweet. And the lanyard itself is just the right length. You have the carabiner that's going to connect right to your pant or your bag or wherever you're taking it. It's going to go on just like this. Clip that onto you or the bag. You're going to have that wherever you go. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now this is going to be perfect for your monofilament, your fluorocarbon, and all of your braid up to 80 pounds. So that's one thing that it's going to cut. It's going to cut it very easily. Comes in just over 2 ounces, so 2.22 ounces is the nippers and the retractors combined, and its overall length is only about just under 6 inches. I think it's 5.91 to be exact if you're looking for that specification. It's got a cleaning needle and a locking mechanism on it, so that's a pretty cool implementation that they've designed into this small but compact and useful tool. You can get these in a few different colors. You have the red, you have blue, and then you have gray. So that's what they currently have at this moment. Again, these are the GOMEXUS Sharkbite nippers, and whether you're fly fishing, saltwater or freshwater, these are going to handle all of your needs when you're on the water and you need to cut. At just under $40, guys, you can't go wrong with this set of nippers. Make sure you check them out on GOMEXUS website. Hey, get you a pair. I know you'll be satisfied that you did. They make a lot of great quality products. And hey, until next time, I'll see you on the water.